Hello, wonderful people. Hello, traders. This is Tony FS here. I'm here again to share with you another dope strategy that you can use on the forex markets. If you've been following my channel for a while now, you will see that I've been uploading different kinds of strategy that you can use to make money on the forex markets. Today is just another day that I'm going to share with you another strategy also. Please, I want you guys to just pick one strategy from a channel. Pick one strategy that you are comfortable with and use that strategy. Don't be scared if you lose today or you lose tomorrow. Don't be scared. That doesn't mean the strategy doesn't work. All strategy actually works, but how we use them, that's what matters. So don't be scared when you make losses on the forex market. All you have to do is to be consistent with your strategy, and trust me, you will make money on the forex market. So today I'm showing you guys a new strategy that you can use. Even a beginner can do with this strategy also. Now this strategy is called the session strategy. The session strategy. Now what you want to do is you want to go and click on your indicators and search for sessions and click on these sections by Los Algo right here. When you click on it, you get something like this, like what you can see on my charts. So now, when you've done this, what you want to do is that you want to go down to your 5-minute time frame. This strategy work only on 5-minute time frame, and you can use any currency pair only on 5 minutes time frame. Now, when you are there, what you want to be doing next is you want to identify the trend. You want to identify the direction of the market. Now, from here, from my chart, you can see that the market has been going up because we have higher highs. Okay, because we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher highs again. Now, this is the open of the London session right here. And before the London session opened, this was the recent low and this was the recent high before the open of the London session. This was the recent low and that was the recent high. Now, so the moment market closes above your recent low or high, that indicates a trend, a signal in the market. And what is that signal? A buy signal. You want to place your trade right there, set your stop loss below the level, and you can target any risk to reward ratio. If you've been following my videos, you see that I don't target 1 to 5, 1 to 8, 1 to 10, 1 to 100 risk to reward ratio. No, I target few pips in the market, and what I do next is I get out of the market. If I make $20 per trade, I'm okay with that. If I make $50 per trade, I'm okay with that. Depending on the loss side that you are using and depending on your capital. You don't want to risk all your capital for just one trade. No. You want to make wise use of your risk management tool. That is how you make money from the forex market. So from here, I might not target this high. I can just target few pips and I'm out of the market. That is how this strategy works. Take note, only on 5-minute time frame. Only on 5-minute time frame. Now let's look for another example. Let's look for another example. This is 29th of November 2024. Let's go to the next day. Good. Now this is the next day. 29th was on Friday, and the next day was Monday 2nd, 2024. 2nd December 2024. Now, what you want to do again, you want to identify the trend of the market. From here, we can see that the market has actually been consolidating because our focus is on the London session and the New York session, but mostly the London session. We don't want to be placing trade on the Asian sessions. So from the Asian sessions, you can see that the market has been what? Has been consolidating. has been consolidated, and when market is consolidating, you don't take a trade, you don't place your trade. So instead, what you want to do is at the London section, you want to identify the trend of the market. From here, you can see that the market has been doing what? Giving us low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So how do you know if the market is trending up or trending down? This is how you know. You want the market to continuously break the highs of the trend. The market is going up, you want the market to keep on breaking the highs, the swing highs. And the market is going down, you want to see the market to keep on doing what? Breaking the lows. The lows. That's how you know the trend of the market. Now for this example, the market has been going up, lower low, lower high, breaking all the levels. Right? Market has been breaking all the levels. That is how you know That is how you know the trend of the market. The market has been breaking all these levels. From here, it broke this level right here, broke this level, and broke here. That is how you identify the trend of the market. Now, the market has broken all these levels, which indicates a buy in the market. Now, before the open of the New York session, what happened next? The market came up to this high and it failed to close above it. And instead, the market came down and broke below this recent level right here. Broke below this recent level right here. So, what do you want to be doing? You want to place your sell trade right here. You want to place your sell trade right here and right here like this. Your stop loss could be below the recent swing, which is right here. Yes, this is the recent swing high because we have lower low, lower high. This is the recent swing high. Now, depending on your risk to reward ratio, depending on your capital, you can aim 1 to 2 or few pips and get out of the markets. I hope you guys are following up with this strategy. Now let's look for another example. Let's look for the next. Let's go to the next day, which is Tuesday, 3rd December 2024. All right, you can see that the market has been what? Trending lower because we have lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then the market failed to close below this level. The market The market failed to close below this level right here, and sorry, instead the market came and closed above this level, which indicates a potential reversal in the market. And before the open of when the market closed above this, giving us a high and a low right here, lower higher high right here, higher low. Now, before the open of the London session, the market did what? Market closed above this high right here. So what do you do next? You place your buy trade right here. You can set your stop loss anywhere you want and target 1 to 2. Few pips and you're out of the market. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I hope you are enjoying this strategy that I'm sharing with you guys. Please, if you do enjoy this video or if you are getting insight from this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also share this video so that those out there can also benefit from this video. Now let's move on to our last example, which is the next day on Wednesday. Okay, this is it. This is it on Wednesday. You can see that the market has been trending, has been consolidating right here, giving us lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and market failed to close above this level. Market failed to close above this level. Market fails to close above this level right here, and instead came and closed above this level. But our rules is we don't take trade on the Asian session. We wait for the London session to open. Now, from this level, the market started printing higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low. And right here, you can see a little swing or a little reversal on the market. You can see a little reversal from the market because the market has been going up, came down to this level, came up to this level, and failed to close above it. And next is you can see that the market started going down and came to close below this level right here. Right here. So this is where the London session opened. But the market came down and closes below this level. So what do you want to do? You want to place your sell trade right here at this candlestick. Place your sell trade there and your stop loss, depending on where you want to put your stop loss. If you decide to put your stop loss here, you'll be cut out. Depending on where you want to put your stop loss, you can put your stop loss at the last swing. I always like putting my stop loss at the previous swing low or swing high. This is the previous swing high. Place my stop loss there and my TP 1 to 2. Get few pips and get out of the market. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I want you to practice this strategy before using your real accounts to make money from the forex market using this strategy. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and bye for now. Peace. Tony FS once more. Bye.